Hello, GM team. So I will explain you the workflow to have your own Openclaw using the cloud subscription. So this little tips is like this little hacks is super cool because you can just use your cloud subscription for Cloud Code and make it kind of your own agent. So Openclaw. So we will see how to install it. So this is the official repository called ClaudeClaw. It's an open source project. You have a kind of a guideline to get started. It's very fast to have it. I suggest to run it if you can in a VPS, like that you can have it for all the time. And we will see how to set it up on Telegram, like that you can already have your agent on the repo on Telegram. You will also have this little UI where you can see and manage your own agent that run on this cloud console. On that pretty it, you have the possibility to run as much as you want of agents. So it will be very, very powerful to have like all these different sessions, all these different agents that have these different works. And it will be helpful also for you if you want to use Mobula and make some agent that trade on the chain or having some data from some wallet analysis or token that you can see some video from Mobula for it. So perfect. So what I will do is getting started. So I will just copy the command for installing the plugin. Up, just here. Let me just copy again. So first the first plugin, then ClaudeClaw. Up. So for me, it's already installed, but it's like installing super fast. Perfect. So we will create a repository. Let's call it test. Up. Okay. Let's call it test number 2. CD tester. Up, and I will go here to CD tester. Then I can launch Claude, and I will do Claude Hub, ClaudeClaw start just here. Perfect. So now the agent is looking for starting, or Claude Code, like looking for starting the agent. We will need also to set up a token for the Telegram bot that will make the conversion between your Claude subscription on Telegram to make us the ability to communicate from our phone, for example. So which Claude model? Let's use Opus. Enable airbet, so airbet is to see if everything fine. So let's put no, we will not need it. Configure Telegram, yes. You can also configure Discord if you want. So for this video, we will say no. Okay, let's go. So what I can already do, now let's do it later. So after you can choose your security. So let's say moderate. So the security is about the permission. So if you want your bot to be full available, depend your thing how risky is your agent have the access you have at it. You need to figure it out about how you will use it and the danger it will have with you. The possibility of dangerous things that could happen with it. So in-app agenting model routing. So you can choose yes or no, depending what model you want to use. So let's say yes. In-app GLM Facebook. So for example, if your cloud subscription is ending or if there is a problem with the server, if there is a fallback that they ask for using another model that is a Chinese model called GLM. I will put skip and we can start with submit answer. Perfect. Yes. Okay, so first to install it, we will need to create a bot token. So let's go to Telegram. I will search for bot phaser. Perfect. So let's start. Perfect. So let's do new bot just to create a bot. All right. Let's call it our little test video. Perfect. And now we need a name. So our little test slash bot. Perfect. So we have a token access now. We can just take it, copy up. This is the token access. And we need also to have our Telegram user ID. So we will need to see with user infobot. So let's go here. Perfect, to get your ID. So just go here, oops, and do start to get your ID. Perfect, this is my ID. I copy paste, put for my ID. Everything will be revoked in case, so you will not be apt to use this bot. Tac, so ClaudeClaw is just creating the agent now, and we will see if after that we can use it. So when it's set up, you will be able to use it on Telegram. If you have a VPS, is the best because it will run 24 and 24 hour. It will cost you nothing if you have like your cloud subscription. So I think it's pretty worth it to have like this little hacks like it. Perfect. So it seems like your agent is running. So this is a UI page. You have access to setting if you want to configure the airbed, the clock. If you want to schedule a cron job, you can also ask him to put a cron job and you will have access all to the list. Perfect. So let's see if it's working. So I will just need to get back to the ID. Up, start. Hey. So he's actually typing and we can directly talk to him. Yeah, perfect. And we will just see for the cron job, can you configure a cron job that say hello every 5 minutes, please? Yes. So basically, that's pretty it for the installation. Now you have your agent that's running and you can use it with your Telegram and you can do basically everything, edit code, like search for you, making cron job, and everything like this. Like, yeah, we will just see when you set up the cron job just to see on the UI how it's going. Yep. We have access to the uptime and all the information we need for it. Like, yeah. You can also chat just here with him. Up. Ah, so it's in your permission one on that day, sure you can also write to ClaudeClaw slash create a job. Okay. So here I have like some permission things to correct for like just letting the bot to have access to everything. But that basically it for making the installation. Hope this was helpful for you. Like if you have any issue or if you need more helps or guidance for it, I will be very happy to help. I will put the repository also in the description. And yeah, that's pretty it. Wish you to have a good day.